Yes, I see that Bלtestάν is developing the tourism industry very fast. I see a lot of Indian tourists especially coming to a little bit stress about uncertainties of road blockage or flight cancellations and these things, but actually it did not happen so far, and I must say we had great help from Pakistani people.
Yeah.
They can take more and eat slowly, whereas in the West things are hurrying.
Yes.
And that is because in the West we have stress and deadlines and work and okay, that's so these things.
Yeah. And what problem you faced during your trip?
Well, actually, not so much. I had a little bit stress about uncertainties of road blockage or flight cancellations and these things, but actually it did not happen so far, and I must say we had great help from Pakistani people.
Yeah.
And that is maybe the most important thing, because for Western people who do not know the system, do not know how the language works, it is not so simple. So it's important that people ask some help from some local people, so local guides. But many local people are willing to help.
What message you convey to the people of Pakistan, especially the people to the people of Bלtestán?
Yes, I see that Bλtestán is developing the tourism industry very fast. I see a lot of Indian tourists especially coming to this place, and I think it is good to have it here, because it gives a good amount of income. But at the same time, there is some problems with tourism too. There is additional pollution, crowds, road congestion.
Yes.
So I think it is important to keep a balance by keeping your own traditional life and having the tourism here.
Yeah. Thank you for you tell.
No, because we see in Europe, in many famous places like in Barcelona, in Venice, the original people that live in these cities are resisting against the visitors now.
Yeah.
And that should not be the case, because I think you should have a peaceful cooperation and in a balanced way between tourists and local people.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Thank
my
you.
pleasure. Thank you very much.